The Hyundai Verna is long due for a major update, and the Korean carmaker is expected to launch the new gen Hyundai Verna in India somewhere next year. Currently, in its 5th gen, the Hyundai Verna in India takes on the rivals like the Honda City, VW Virtus, and the Skoda Slavia. The next gen model of the sedan will boast a fresh design, dated features, and more. Here are all the details that we know about the upcoming 6th gen Hyundai Verna. Internally codenamed the BN7, the next-gen Hyundai Verna will get a new exterior design that will fall in line with the brand's latest sensuous sportiness design language. The major styling changes include a new front fascia that is largely dominated by wide grille, new headlamps and a fastback-like styling complemented by a tapering roof. Likewise, we will get new taillights, updated bumpers, and fresh exterior color options. The new Hyundai Verna has been spotted again during a public road test in India. A fresh spy image gives us a peek at the front of the model, which also hints at a significant update in terms of the feature list. Up front, the sedan gets a new bumper and swept-back headlamps, while the latter houses what seems to be an ADAS sensor below the number plate. Inside, we are expecting this Korean sedan to be offered with a fresh dashboard layout, new features, and a spacious cabin. Unlike the present iteration, the next-gen model is expected to offer a better in-cabin experience and better second-row experience. We will also get a new touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument console, automatic climate control, push-button start, connected car tech, auto-dimming IRVs, and more.